Hi yogis, welcome to my channel. Join me in this quick full body yoga for beginners if you don't have much time but still want to get a full body yoga practice in. So let's start in a cross-legged position. Place one foot in front of the other for easy pose. Spin your inner thighs down, lengthen the spine, roll your shoulders away from the ears. Take a deep breath in through the nose and reach your arms up towards the sky. Join your hands together, exhale, draw your hands down in prayer position in front of your heart, and feel free to set your intention for your practice. Namaste. We'll begin in butterfly pose. Place the foot soles together and let your knees gently fall to the outsides. You can go ahead, spin the inner thighs down to make sure that you're really sitting on your sitting bones. Open the hips. Take deep breaths in and out through the nose. Stay connected with your breath and focus on your body. You can go ahead and place your hands behind you, right behind your seat, to open your chest. Gently bring the shoulder blades towards each other and maybe slightly look up. Wonderful. Now inhale, reach your arms up, and as you exhale, start folding forward from the hips. You can place your hands on the floor and gently walk yourself a little further down. Work with your breath. Stretch on the exhales. The head comes down last. You can interlace your hands. Breathe into your hips. Staying focused on the breath. Focus on your body. Take one more deep breath in. Deep breath out. And then place your palms down on the floor, walking yourself back up. Your head comes up last. You can go ahead, mirror me, straighten out the right leg, flex the right foot, sitting up tall, and place the right hand by the inside of your right leg. As you inhale, reach your left arm up, and as you exhale, dive, side body bend, towards your right leg. You can go ahead, rest on the right hand or the right forearm. Keep your chest open and root down through both sitting bones, especially the left one. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, release. Adjust your torso so that your upper body is facing your right foot. Inhale, reach the arms up, and as you exhale, start folding from the hips. Bring your tummy towards your upper leg. Place your hands on the floor. Keep lengthening the spine, and then gently walk yourself further down. Head comes down last. You can hold on to your leg, ankle, or foot. Keep your right foot flexed. And see if you can melt a little bit further into the pose each time you exhale. Take one more deep breath in, deep breath out. And then gently come out of the pose by walking your hands back up. Sit up tall. Turn your torso back to center. Place the left hand right behind your left seat. Reach your right arm to the right as you inhale, and then circle it forward over your head. Go for a slight back bend, and at the same time lift up your pelvis, rooting down through your left hand, left knee, and point your right toes. Slowly release on an exhale. Sit back down. Circle your right arm forward and back to the ground. And switch sides. Bring the right leg in. Straighten out your left leg. Flex the left foot. Sit up tall. Place the left hand by the inside of your left leg. And as you inhale, reach your right arm up and over, reaching for your left foot. Breathe into your side body stretch. Use the exhales to go deeper into the stretch. Revolved head to knee pose. It's a seated twist that stretches the entire side body, including the spinal side flexors. On your next inhale, come out of the pose and exhale, release. Adjust your upper body so that your upper body is facing your left foot. Keep your left foot flexed. Keep length in the spine. Inhale, reach the arms up, and as you exhale, folding from the hips, go forward. Bring your tummy towards your upper leg, place the hands on the floor, and walk yourself deeper into your forward bend. Head comes down last. You can hold on to your leg, ankle, foot, wherever you can reach is fine. Head to knee pose is calming and relaxing. It improves digestion and gently stretches the spine, shoulders, hamstrings, and groins. And as you inhale, place the palms down on the floor, walk yourself back up. Sit up tall. And bring your torso back to center. Place your right hand behind your right seat on the floor. Inhale, reach your left arm out and circle it forward. Bring it over your head. Lift up your pelvis. Raise your hips up towards the sky. Point your left foot. Connect with your breath. And open your heart. Take one more breath in baby wild thing pose. And then slowly and gently release. Sit back down. And bend your left knee, placing the foot soles together. One more time for butterfly pose. Hold on to your feet. Find your breath. Notice your body. And release. Bring your hands to the outsides of your knees and push your knees together. And let's find our ways to the back of the mat. Sit up tall. Straighten the legs out in front of you. Flex your feet. Lengthen the spine. And you can place your palms on the floor or on your upper legs. And take a moment in staff pose. This pose might look easy, but it's very active. And it's great for posture. Start bending the right knee. And bring your right foot over your left thigh. Place it on the floor next to your left thigh. And then bring your right hand right behind your right seat. Inhale, reach your left arm up. And as you exhale, twist your chest to the right, hugging your right knee with your left arm. Keep that length in the spine and gently look over your right shoulder for a twist. Seated twist pose. On your next inhale, slowly come out of the twist. And straighten the right leg out to the front. Take a moment in staff pose again. And notice your body. Notice any differences. And switch sides. Bend the left knee. Bring the left foot over your right leg. Place it right next to your right thigh. And plant your left hand right behind your left seat. Inhale, reach your right arm up. And as you exhale, hug the left knee. Gently twisting from your chest to the left. Slightly look over your left shoulder. The hip bones are facing forward. The benefit of a seated twist is that it increases flexibility throughout the spine, shoulders, and chest. It also stimulates and tones the abdominal organs. Slowly as you inhale, come out of your twist. With both legs extended towards the front of the mat, flex the feet. Inhale, reach your arms up, and as you exhale, start folding forward from the hips. Place your hands on the floor. Your head comes down last. You can always walk yourself a little bit further on each exhale. Then hold on to your legs, ankles, or feet. Seated forward folds are great to deeply stretch the entire backside of the body, from your heels all the way up to your neck, and also to calm the nervous system. On your next inhale, slowly walk yourself back up, sit up tall. Bring your knees up and scoot yourself forward towards the front of the mat. We'll work our way down, lying down on our backs to close our practice in corpse pose. Slowly and controlled, roll yourself one vertebrae at a time, down on the ground. Head comes down last. Extend your legs out, let your feet fall to the outside corners of your mat. Arms are along the body with your hand palms facing up. Your head is in the center. Feel free to close your eyes. We'll lie here for about a minute in corpse pose. Connect with your breath and allow your body to release any tension with each exhale. Start deepening your breath. And slowly begin to wake up your body by gently wiggling your fingers and toes. Give yourself a nice stretch, yawn, sigh. Do whatever feels good right now. And bring your knees up, planting your feet onto your mat. Roll over to your right side into fetus position. And then from there, push yourself up and come into a cross-legged position. Sit up tall. Place your palms on your knees and slightly drop the chin. Keep your eyes closed for one more moment. As you inhale, reach your arms up towards the sky and draw all that positive energy into your being. Then join your hands together in front of your heart in prayer position. Remember your intention and take a moment to feel gratitude for doing your yoga practice today. Thank you so much for joining me. The light in me bows to the light in you.